This article is number 41 in the biology section of the web page of creation articles in the website World History 2967, and it deals with the fact that increasingly as researchers look into the genetic code, the thought that this was evolutionary leftovers becomes untenable. And the one that Jeff Tompkins, the writer of the article, is looking at is long non-coding RNAs, traditionally seen as non-functional and a part of the evolutionary history of our genetic code. Well, the biochemical and medical community are looking at these long non-coding RNAs and are finding that in plants, and in fruit flies, and in moths, and in humans, it performs functions, very complex functions. They're not junk DNA. And what the conclusion that Jeff Tompkins comes to is the following. In the evolutionary paradigm, the incredible complexity of the genome is believed to have somehow evolved by random processes. Much of it is therefore thought to be useless junk DNA. The leading proponents of evolution are steeped in this type of speculation, called theoretical evolution, and have tried to downplay recent discoveries of pervasive function across the genome, which is largely based on long non-coding RNAs. However, the biomedical genomics community is pragmatically focused on diagnosing and curing disease. As a result, biomedical researchers are not as limited by false evolutionary presuppositions and have associated long non-coding RNAs with many different aspects of human health. Thanks to these efforts and the work of plant and animal researchers in adaptive systems, the incredible functionality of the entire genome and all of its seemingly infinite complex workings are glorifying the omnipotent Creator, the Lord Jesus Christ, who is the maker of all things. Really appreciate the work of the biomedical community. They've not taken on the evolutionary paradigm to the extent of not researching this, but they have found, in fact, this functionality, in which case we have incredible evidence now for the whole genetic code being functional and therefore a product of an incredible designer. And it's worth bearing in mind that means we need to adapt our lives to finding a relationship with that incredible designer. Well, thank you for listening.